This Hofacker Associates Incorporated property video is presented by Lloyda Pearson. Handyman Special. Flooring and updates to kitchen and bath needed. In sought-after Winston Park Northeast, a 55-plus community, with heated pool, shuffleboard court and clubhouse, elevator, laundry on each floor. Beautifully and immaculately maintained grounds. This community offers many social activities. Close to Northeast Shopping Center and other shopping, hospitals, and places of worship. East Interstate access, 10 minutes to downtown Street Pete, 20 minutes to some of the most beautiful beaches in Florida. This unit is roomy and airy. With a little TLC, this could be your full-time sanctuary or part-time vacation home. For more information, review the details below or contact Lloyda Pearson at 727-527-7373.